Let us solve this question on the board without calculator. Remember, I am tutor Cletus Okoli. Let's solve it. We are not required to solve with a calculator. Therefore, we dive in. The question we are asked to solve, then solution. The question is 8 to the power of 888 minus 2 to the power of 2663. What I will do, I want to put this 8 in index form and of course in base 2. And my 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 to the power of 3 is the same as 8. So I will represent this 8 the same way. That means I shall have 2 to the power of 3, then c to the power of 8, 8, 8. Then minus 2 to the power of 2663. But looking at this, you know, if I have 2 to the power of 3, then into the bracket 888. What that implies is that I should multiply the 2 according to the product law of indices, which says that 2 may be to the power of x or to the power of y is the same as 2 to the power of xy. Even if I'm using a variable, maybe a to the power of x or to the power of y, it is still a to the power of xy. So 3 will multiply by 888. And therefore, 888 multiplied by 3. 3 times 8 will give me 24. I move to 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2 is 26. I move 2 again. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 2, that is 26. So I shall now write multiplying 3 with 888, I shall have 2 to the power of 2664 minus 2 to the power of 2663. That is what I shall have. So working with this, what next I have, since I have here 2664 as the power of my 2, and here 2663 as the power of my 2, you can see that the difference is just 1. So I want to get exactly the same thing as the powers. That means I shall subtract 1 here. Meaning that if I have 2 to the power of 3, I can write it as 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. Because according to the law of indices, it is equal to 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. So I am going to apply it to this place, and that is going to give me 2 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2663, then minus 2 to the power of 2663. Now you can see I have gotten what I want to achieve. I've gotten it. So I have to the 2 to the power of 2663, also 2 to the power of 2663. So something is factorizable. I can now factor it. Alright, and you see, according to the law of indices as I have expressed, when you add this one, because both of them are the same base, and I'm applying, if you add this one to this, I get back what I have. So this implies that I shall now factor out 2 to the power of 2663 into the bracket 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. Because when I factor out 2 to the power of 2663, what is left there should be 1, such that when I use this outside the bracket to multiply 1, I get back what I have. So eventually you can see that 2 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So what I have now to say is 2 to the power of 2663 will now multiply 1. That is 2 minus 1, which is 1. And 1 multiply this is going to give me 2 to the power of 2663. Final answer. Thank you for watching. You can see it's a brief one. God bless you. Share my videos.
Nambu mmadụ si